From chaos to clarity, Ethan's mind mapping success. Ethan's notes were a disaster, illegible, confusing, and impossible to review. Even he couldn't figure out what he'd written. Sound familiar? Many students struggle with disorganized notes, wasting time and energy trying to study. One day, Ethan stumbled upon mind mapping, a visual technique for organizing ideas. By turning his chaotic scribbles into structured, colorful webs of information, Ethan made connections faster and retained knowledge better. He realized note-taking didn't have to be messy. Ethan's notes became so clear and creative that even his teacher started borrowing them. Every class seemed manageable, every review session efficient. Mind mapping unlocked a new level of confidence in his studies, and it can do the same for you. Don't let messy notes hold you back. Grab a pen and paper, start mapping your ideas visually, and see the difference in your learning. Click follow for more study hacks and take the first step towards smarter, stress-free study sessions today. Your transformation starts now.